Tatlong babaeng hukom ang nakatakda niyang harapin para sa kasong Crimes Against Humanity o krimen laban sa sangkatauhan. Sila sina Judge Yulia Antonella Motok, Judge Ren Alapini Gansu at Judge Socorro Flores Liera na pumirma sa arrest warrant laban kay Duterte. Ayon sa website ng ICC, si Motok ang presiding judge ng pre-trial chamber ng investigasyon sa Pilipinas. Ibig sabihin, siya ang mangunguna sa initial proceedings at sa confirmation of charges sa kaso ni Duterte.
The main purpose of this initial appearance is to answer 3 questions. Firstly, the Chamber must ensure that the person who was the subject of the arrest warrant has been informed of the crimes of which he is accused. Second, the Chamber must ensure that this person has been informed of his rights as recognised by the Rome Statute. Third, the Chamber must set a date on which it intends to hold a confirmation of charges hearing.
Kaya nakikita mo na dito na kung mayroong ginawang kasalanan dito sa nakalista na mga jurisdiction ng ICC, ang magbibista niyan ay ang korte doon sa bayan na yon, hindi ang International Criminal Court in The Hague. International Criminal Court, as I said, is a court of last resort. Pag hindi mo mabigyan ng katarungan ang akusado, ayaw mo o kaya hindi mo kaya, ay saka pa lang yan pupunta sa ICC. Kaya maling-mali yung mga pinagtatanong sa akin sa Senado. Kasi hindi sila marunong magbasa. Akala ko that literacy is not even a requirement of the Philippine Constitution because we all presume with free elementary and high school education in our Constitution that everybody is literate.